welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way you can achieve box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam and my Rockville comb. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair in the back, just a straight line, just exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam just to make sure my lines are really nice and clean. So what I do is I like to section my hair, the whole head, and then I start, braiding, because this is easier, but you can do whatever works for you, sis, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm just going to be sectioning the lines exactly the way I'm doing. Done, I'm just gonna be using the rubber bands to hold the hair, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna stress this again. We're not using rubber bands, but I'm just holding the hair, sis. I use the technique that I'm doing right here, just using my rubber bands to hold the hair, but not use the rubber bands when I'm braiding. I have about 33 sections in my hair, guys, and I'm going to be using this X-pression hair. This is color violet. I use 2 packs of the X-pression hair. One pack I'm going to be cutting it into 3, and then the other pack into 2, because I wanted the longer pieces to be on the top right there, so you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. Your hair is going to be sectioned like you're going to do a traditional braid, a smaller piece and a bigger piece. Taking the rubber band out, as you guys can see, I'm going to apply some Shine and Jam to my hair. You're just going to section your hair into 3. Just do a normal braid like you're braiding your hair. We're using the same technique that we used the last time, guys, but I'm just going to show you another trick, okay? Taking your crochet needle, placing it in. So the smaller piece, you're going to take it, place it on the crochet needle, and then pull it out, making sure it's nice and equal on both sides. You guys can see it's already covering my natural hair. And then you're going to take the bigger piece. So first of all, you're going to be taking your hair. The smaller piece, you're just going to hold it really nice and tight. That way your hair is not protruding or anything like that. And then you're going to take the bigger piece, placing it on the top, and you're just going to go round, like you're making a circle around the hair that you already have, okay? And then you're just going to start braiding down. So that is exactly what we're doing. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, sis. This is the easiest, oh my gosh, I'm sure you guys are like, Tupo, you always saying this is easy. Sis, when I tell you, try this one right here. Go down to where I want the hair to stop, and then I'm going to tie a little knot at the end. So I'm going to tie it twice because I want it to be really nice and secure. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, very, very easy. While I was still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes, sis. Today's shout out goes to Ian and Hannah. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for working with me. You guys are the real MVPs. Okay. You're going to take the bigger piece, and then you're going to place it on the top. You're going to go round. So you're just going to go round like you're making a circle, and then start braiding down. So this is very easy for my sisters who cannot grip the root and do a nice, looking box braid. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you again. You're just going to take your Shine and Jam, apply it to your hair, making sure your scalp is really nice and sleek or whatever. And then you're just going to separate the hair into 3 and braid it down, just exactly the way I'm doing. Taking the smaller piece, placing it on the crochet needle, pull it out, okay? You're going to take the bigger piece, and then you're going to place it on the top. Going to go round like you're making a circle, and then start braiding down. Alright right, guys, so I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to take your shine and jam, apply it to your hair, making sure it's nice and sleek. And then you're going to section your hair into 3, just doing like a normal braid, guys. You're going to take your crochet needle, place it in, taking the smaller piece, placing it on the crochet needle, close the latch, pull it out, and making sure it's nice and equal on both sides. And then you're going to take the other piece from the braiding hair, placing it on the top, and then you're just gonna go round like you're making a circle, okay? And then you're just gonna start braiding it down. My hair is nice and hidden, you know, it's not showing or anything like that because the smaller piece is already covering my natural hair. Summer is almost over, so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do this nice fun color for the last time before summer is over, sis, so bear with me. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you again. You're just gonna take your shine and jam, apply it to your hair, making sure your scalp is really nice and sleek or whatever. Take your crochet needle, place it in, taking the smaller piece, placing it on the crochet needle, close the latch, pull it out, and making sure it's nice and equal on both sides. Go round like you're making a circle, and then you're just gonna start braiding it down. This hairstyle right here took me an hour and I was done, sis. I am not doing anything that's gonna take me a long time. Okay, sis. I'm just gonna take my mousse and make sure the hair is laid all the way down, sis. And then I'm going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil mixing with my coconut oil to make sure, you know, my scalp is nice and moisturized, sis. That's what we gotta do. I'm just gonna be taking my Kiss Edge Fixer and making sure my baby hairs are laid or whatever. So I'm using this edge brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. Today what I'm doing is I'm just going to be burning the ends, okay? So just be very careful. I'm going to be using this lighter that I got from the beauty supply. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to be using this bowl of water just to make sure when I touch the braid after I burn it, I don't get burned because this is going to be cooling it down. I'm just going to take my scissors and cut below the knot that I made, and then I'm going to be using my lighter just to, you know, to burn the end. So once I burn the end, I'm going to take my finger into my little bowl of water. That's cold water, by the way, just tap water. And then I'm going to hold, you know, just to make sure I'm rubbing my fingers together, just to make sure it's nice and secure. It's nice and sealed at the bottom. If you want your braids to have a nice curve at the end, this is what you gotta do. You gotta burn the ends. But if you do not wanna burn the ends, you can actually use some accessories and it's just gonna look exactly the same. It's just gonna look really nice and cute as well, okay? And baby, when I tell you this style came all the way through, yes, sis, I am feeling this hair right here. I am feeling this bob or whatever. Let me know if you guys are feeling this purple right here, because you know me, I love me some purple, darling. I love me some purple. I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessory. It takes their style all the way to boom, 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 100, okay? This is a nice back to school hairstyle that you can do. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this technique right here. This is one of the easiest techniques that I have ever done. So sis, make sure you get on it. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Tupo1. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for all you're doing for this channel. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we are here today. Yes, sis. Let's get to 300K because baby, at this point, it is up from here. Okay. Anyway, make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.